Hello, communication enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting module in our journey to mastering communication. Today, we're talking about something at the heart of every conversation: verbal communication skills. Whether you're leading a meeting, chatting with friends, or pitching an idea, the words you choose, the way you say them, and how you structure your thoughts determine how effective you are as a communicator. So, in this lesson, we'll cover the key elements of verbal communication, the power of clarity, conciseness, and coherence, how tone, pace, and articulation impact your message, the importance of choosing the right words, and some practical exercises to sharpen your verbal skills. Let's get started. 1. The key elements of verbal communication. Verbal communication is more than just talking. It's about making sure your words actually connect and resonate with your audience. There are 3 essential pillars of verbal communication: what you say, the actual words you choose; how you say it, your tone, pitch, and speed; when you say it, timing and pauses. Let me give you an example. Imagine your friend asks, "Are you coming to the party?" If you respond with, "Yes." Enthusiastic, energetic tone, you sound excited and committed. Yes, hesitant, slow, you sound unsure. Yeah, I guess. Now you sound reluctant. Same word, different impact. This is why verbal communication isn't just about words, it's about how you deliver them. 2. The power of clarity, conciseness, and coherence. Ever had a conversation where someone talks too much and says too little? That's because they lack clarity, conciseness, and coherence. Let's break it down. Clarity: be clear and direct. Avoid unnecessary jargon or vague statements. Conciseness: keep it short and to the point. Rambling confuses your audience. Coherence: make sure your ideas flow logically so people can follow your message. Quick tip: instead of saying, "In light of recent developments, it has come to our attention that a significant number of individuals have expressed dissatisfaction with the current process of communication within the organization," say, "Many people are unhappy with our communication process, and we need to fix it." See the difference? Clear, concise, and easy to understand. 3. The impact of tone, pace, and articulation. Your voice is a powerful tool. It can inspire, persuade, or even bore people. Let's talk about 3 critical aspects of how you speak. Tone: the emotional quality of your voice. Are you warm and engaging, or cold and monotone? Pace: speaking too fast? People might miss your point. Too slow? They might get bored. Find a comfortable rhythm. Articulation: pronounce words clearly so your audience doesn't struggle to understand you. Let's try a quick exercise. Repeat this phrase 3 different ways. I never said she stole my money. Say it with emphasis on different words. I never said she stole my money. When the emphasis is on I, it means someone else did. I never said she stole my money. When the emphasis is on never, it means you deny saying it. I never said she stole my money. When the emphasis is on she, it implies someone else did. See how changing the emphasis completely alters the meaning? That's the power of verbal communication. 4. Choosing the right words. Words matter. The way you phrase something can make or break your message. For example, instead of saying "you're wrong," say, "I see it differently. Let's look at another perspective." Instead of saying, "that idea is bad," say, "that's an interesting thought. How about we explore a different approach?" Quick tip: use positive, solution-focused language. Avoid filler words like like, and you know, they weaken your impact. Be precise words. Instead of thing or stuff, say what exactly you mean. 5. Practical exercises to improve verbal communication. Alright, it's time to put these skills into action. Here are 3 simple but powerful exercises. Exercise 1. Record yourself. Take a short topic, e.g., why is communication important? Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Listen back, assess your tone, clarity, and pace. Exercise 2. The no-filler challenge. Try speaking for 2 minutes without saying like, or you know. This forces you to think before you speak. Exercise 3. Mirror talk. Stand in front of a mirror and practice delivering a message. Watch your facial expressions and gestures. These exercises train your brain and mouth to communicate effectively. Final thoughts and takeaway. Verbal communication is one of the most powerful life skills you can develop. By focusing on clarity, conciseness, and coherence. Tone, pace, and articulation. Choosing words wisely. Practicing daily. You'll become a more confident and impactful communicator. Your challenge: pick one of the exercises we discussed today and practice it for the next 3 days. Let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next module.